very yummy. Would you like to try it?
Okay. I have my food.
It's very, very yummy.
Mmm.
Do you like this food?
I like it. Very good. Very good.
Hirap mag-park. Daming sakyan. Kaya dyan na pag-park sa tapat.
Ah, sa grocery?
Pagdapat niyan.
Gusto niya raw kasi post sa YouTube yan.
Mama, can you post this in YouTube?
Yeah. What are you eating? You tell them what you're eating.
I'm eating some yummy food.
What is that? What yummy food is that? You got it from there, or you read the
Here.
name? What?
Cheese
What?
mosa.
This mocha.
Cheese mocha. There.